Hello and welcome to Easy License. My name's Rohan, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to your calendar. I'm going to show you how to navigate to it and also explain what the different colors and blocks mean. To log into your instructor account, please visit our Easy License website and select the instructor login, which you'll find in the top right hand side of the page. Once you have successfully logged into your account, you will land on your dashboard. To navigate to your calendar, please use the drop-down menu in the top right-hand side of the screen and select Calendar. Once we have arrived in our calendar, there are three different viewing settings that we can use. We can use the weekly view, which is this one, the daily view, which shows us the day, and the monthly view, which will show you the calendar month. To change the viewing settings, please use these three icons. Easy License recommends the weekly view as it is the most user-friendly. Our calendar also has a feature called Smart Scheduling, and you can turn this off and on by using the toggle in the top left-hand side of the screen. In our calendar, we can view previous or future weeks by using these two icons beside the Today button. And to return back to today's date, please click the Today button. When we are in the weekly view, it will always show you from today's date and then the next 6 days forward. At the top of the calendar, we can see the day and the date, and on the left side of the calendar, we can see the times. So now I'm going to explain to you what the different colors in your calendar actually mean. So the first thing we can see is this grayed out area. So this is outside of your operating hours, and this is what will have been set when you chose your availability. The next thing we can see are these green blocks. These are available blocks where Easy License learners can book in with you. These are automatically inputted and generated by our smart scheduling system. The next block we can see in our calendar are these yellow blocks. These are confirmed Easy License lessons and they have already been paid for. The next block we can see are these blue blocks. These are personal lessons or event that you have manually inputted into your calendar. Next, we can see the proposed lesson blocks. These are light grey, and these are lesson proposals you have sent to your learners and you are waiting for them to be confirmed. They will last in your calendar for 24 hours before they expire and disappear, and once a proposed lesson is confirmed and paid for by the learner, it will turn into a yellow Easy License confirmed lesson block. And the last color we can see in our calendar is this black block. This is your own private learner that you have sent a proposal to that they have confirmed that you are running through the Easy License system. The white space between lessons is the allowed travel time. Another thing to note is that Easy License lessons cannot be booked within 5 hours of the start time. So we can see this big white space that we cannot be booked in because it's less than 5 hours. Your Easy License calendar will show 75 days of future availability, and your Easy License profile will only be displayed on the platform if you have availability within the next 14 days. To view the booking details of a particular lesson, please just select the block that you would like to view. To add private lessons or events, or to send proposals to your Easy License learners and private learners, please use the Create Event button, which you'll see in the top right hand side of your calendar. Setting up and managing your calendar is one of the most important things in your Easy License profile. To find out more about how to add private or personal lessons, send proposals, or manage your calendar, please visit our support section. You will find this in the top right hand side of your page in the drop down menu and you can click Support. From here, you can use the search bar to search up particular articles on how to use your calendar, or to talk to our customer service team, you can submit a request using this button in the top right hand side of the page. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you at the next one.